Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U0038 indicates a malfunction in the TCM communication between the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM, in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The TCM and PCM utilize the TM-CAN communication lines, namely TM-CAN-H and TM-CAN-L, to transmit vital signals for the vehicle's transmission system. If the TCM does not receive input signals for a duration of at least 1.5 seconds, this error code is triggered. This condition can also activate the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, and cause the shift position indicator to blink, indicating a communication failure. Understanding the role of each module in this communication is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This diagnosis focuses on identifying communication faults, ensuring that the relevant signals are transmitted correctly between modules, which is essential for optimal vehicle performance. The error U0038 involves a malfunction specifically between the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM. These modules rely on the TM-CAN communication lines, TM-CAN-H and TM-CAN-L, to exchange multiple signals crucial for the vehicle's transmission operation. If the PCM fails to send information over these communication lines for a specified duration of 1.5 seconds or more, the TCM identifies this as a malfunction and logs the DTC. The TCM is located within the transmission assembly, while the PCM is usually found in the engine compartment or under the dash, making physical inspection and connection checks vital. The TCM controls transmission functions such as shifting, while the PCM oversees engine performance. A failure in this communication can lead to significant drivability issues and increased wear on the transmission. Several possible causes may lead to the U0038 error code. First, a failure in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, could prevent it from sending signals over the TM-CAN lines. This includes instances of blown fuses that supply power to the PCM. Second, issues with the TM-CAN communication lines themselves, such as an open circuit in either the TM-CAN-H or TM-CAN-L lines, can disrupt signal transmission. A short-to-ground condition in these lines further complicates matters, leading to communication failures. Additionally, an internal failure within the Transmission Control Module, TCM, can also cause this error. Knowing these causes allows for more targeted diagnostics and repairs, as each one presents a unique troubleshooting pathway. The U0038 error presents notable symptoms that can help guide diagnosis. The malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem that requires attention. Moreover, the shift position indicator will begin to blink, indicating a potential communication issue. Alongside these visual indicators, drivers may experience performance issues with the transmission, such as difficulties in shifting or unexpected behavior while driving. Early identification of these symptoms is crucial for preventing further damage to the transmission system. Drivers should be encouraged to address these symptoms promptly to ensure safe vehicle operation and to avoid costly repairs. The first step in troubleshooting the U0038 error code is to check the vehicle's battery voltage. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, specifies that the battery voltage must be at least 10 volts for proper functioning of the PCM and TCM. If the battery voltage is below this threshold, it can lead to various electrical issues, including communication failures between modules. Utilizing a digital multimeter, technicians can easily assess the battery voltage at rest. If the voltage is found to be adequate, further diagnostic steps should be taken. If not, recharging or replacing the battery may resolve the problem. ensuring stable voltage levels for all electronic components in the vehicle. The second step involves inspecting the wiring for the TM-CAN communication lines, specifically the TM-CAN H and TM-CAN L. Technicians need to look for any visible breaks, pinched wires, or signs of wear in the insulation that may disrupt signal transmissions. Additionally, checking for shorts to ground in these lines is critical, as such faults can lead to erroneous signals or complete loss of communication between modules. It's important to trace the wires from the PCM to the TCM comprehensively, confirming that all connections are secure. Should any issues be identified during this inspection, repairing or replacing the damaged sections of wiring will be necessary to restore proper communication flow. In the third step, testing both the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is essential to identify any internal failures. Using a compatible scan tool, technicians can perform diagnostic checks on both modules to access fault codes and freeze frame data. It is vital to verify that both modules are communicating correctly with each other. Any anomaly detected, such as abnormal responses or additional DTCs logged in either module, may indicate a malfunction. If one of the modules is found to be faulty, replacement or repair may be necessary. Bypassing this step may result in unresolved issues, so thorough testing is critical for successful diagnosis. After all repairs have been executed, the final step involves clearing any stored DTCs and conducting a test drive to ensure that the issue has been fully resolved. Using a scan tool, technicians can perform a clear command to reset the DTCs in the TCM and PCM. Following this, the vehicle should be test-driven under various conditions to verify that the TN-CAN communication is stable and that the vehicle operates as intended, without illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, or blinking of the shift position indicator. Monitoring shifts and overall performance will ensure that the system functions correctly. This step is critical, not just for confirming repairs, but also for ensuring the optimal safety and performance of the vehicle. To prevent future occurrences of DTC U0038, implementing a regular maintenance schedule is essential. Periodically inspecting the wiring associated with the TM-CAN lines can help catch potential issues before they escalate. Drivers should be reminded of the importance of maintaining battery health, as improper voltage can lead to various electronic issues, including communication failures. Utilizing protective coverings on wiring can further safeguard against wear and environmental damage. Moreover, keeping an eye on the performance of both the TCM and PCM will help ensure their reliable operation. This proactive approach will maintain communication integrity and ultimately promote the longevity of the vehicle's transmission system. In summary, DTC U0038 points to a critical communication malfunction between the TCM and PCM in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021, which can arise from various underlying issues. Understanding the roles and responsibilities of each module and their communication pathways is essential for effective troubleshooting. Through systematic diagnostics, including battery checks, wiring inspections, and module testing, technicians can isolate the root causes of the error. Following successful repairs, proper verification steps should be executed to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Additionally, advised preventive maintenance practices will help safeguard against future issues, ensuring a reliable and efficient driving experience for owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.